Hey guys, so I'm back with another video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with the 20. Size 20 to go all around the lid, the top lid. Make sure all the rhinestones are close together. They're not loose. I tap it with my thumb to make sure they're not hanging off the edge. You know, make sure they're all close together, and all the size 20 will fit nice and perfect all around every single time. But you have to make sure that they are perfectly close together and not hanging off the edge. So as you can see, I'm just about done with this edge, and everything's perfect so far. So all my rhinestones were perfectly fitted in. All around was all 20. So now I'm going to show you the edges, what fits and how different sizes you can put on together. I have the 12, I have the 16, and I have the 20 right there. So I'm going to show you different ways. So on the first few lines, I have 12, 12, 16. Then I have a 12 and a 16. Then on the third example, I have 3 12s. Just to show you a few examples. You can do it any way you like. And then to end it off, I did a 20 on top with 112 in the bottom. Like I said, there's many ways. These are just some of the ones that you can try out. So first 4 lines is 12, 12, 16. Then it's 12, 16, 12, 12, 12. And at the end, it's a 12 with the 20. So there you go. So now, I got another different lid because the other one hadn't finished drying yet. So the edge is going to be like the other lid. It's going to be size 20 all around. I'm not doing the whole lid, I'm just showing you guys the sizing. So the first line, like I said, is 20. Then you're going to fit 3 more lines of the size 20. Total first section of the lid is size 20, 4 lines. Okay? And it should fit perfectly. If it doesn't fit all the way around, you know you can use the next size down, which is a 16, to fill in the gaps. So as you can see, I'm not gonna do the whole lid for you guys. I'm just showing you what sizes are gonna fit 4 rows of 20 SS. So now to the next section. I'm going to start off with the size 20 again. That's the most commonly used one. So again, just putting on the rhinestones, no specific pattern, no honeycomb, no nothing, just putting them on. So the first line, now moving on to the second line. This part of the lid is going to come out to have 5 lines of size 20. Okay? So middle section, 5 lines of size 20. So 1, 2, 3, so far I have 4. Now I'm going on to 5. And this is where the last line is going to be, which I used size 10. SS to fit the last line, because obviously it's not going to fit a 20, a 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last line, 6, is going to be a size 10 SS. So here you go. Look at the patterns again. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. And see you guys next time.